Malola Sofua.
Ole asfaraile nei.
Today is Friday, and today we're going to teach you some Samoan proverbs.
Ole ala ngā upu mua mua. Ole ala I le pule. Ole tautua.
The pathway to leadership is through service. This means that in order to become a leader, or before you become a leader, you need to know and learn how to serve.
A whai e fia a vea oe mataita. O le pule. E te tau ona a vea oe o se tangata tautua. Ole ala ngā upu lona lua. E lele le toloa. Ai maau lava I le vai.
The bird may fly away, but it will always return and remember its waters. What this means is that for us Samoans, true Samoans, no matter where you are, no matter where you travel to, and no matter where you live, we should always remember our homeland Samoa.
O le tangata Samoa mun. O fea lava e malanga I ai, maau mawai. E le mawhai lava o nangalu, lona whaasino mama. Ma lona nuku, na soifua, maola mai o Samoa.
That's our phrase for today, everyone. Tune in again tomorrow for our very last video on Saturday morning.
Tātou whailoa ia tai au, ma ia manuia, le vai yaso, o le whaata waina, o le ngana Samoa.
So fast fua.
O le tangata Samoa mun, o fea lava e malanga I ai.
That was good.
O le tangata Samoa, o le tangata Samoa mun, o fea lava e malanga I ai.
Yeah.
O le ala ngā upu mua mua, o le ala I le pumi, o le tautua.
The pathway to leadership is sorry. In order to become a leader, or in the that's our word for Friday. And that's our phrase for Friday. That's our phrase for today, everyone. Sorry.